Hello students, I am Ms. Thandore. So let us start with reactions of diazonium salt. But before that, you can like, share and subscribe my channel if it is not yet. So let us start with the reactions of diazonium salt here. We will write here first formula of diazonium salt. It is Ar aromatic ring, N2 plus and X minus. So this is your diazonium salt. In case of reactions of diazonium salt, this diazonium group is replaced by nucleophiles here. Every time diazonium group is replaced by nucleophiles. Nucleophiles again you well familiar to you, like X minus, that is your halides, then OH minus hydroxyl group, NO2 minus nitro group, H minus hydride group, or it is CN minus cyanide group. So every time the diazonium group is replaced by nucleophiles and there is a formation of corresponding product there in the reactions of diazonium salt. In case of reactions of diazonium salt, as it is a replacement of diazonium group, every time there is evolution of nitrogen gas as a side product here. So let us see the reaction. First reaction we'll see replacement by, I'll write here, replacement by Cl, Br or Cn group. So we'll take here compound as C6H5 N2 plus and X minus, diazonium salt, benzene diazonium halide or diazonium salt. So when it is treated with cuprous chloride and HCl, then in that case you will get here chlorobenzene along with nitrogen gas. Evolution of nitrogen gas is there. When it is treated with diazonium salt, is treated with cuprous bromide and HBr, then in that case we'll get here bromobenzene and nitrogen gas. And when it is treated with cuprous cyanide and HCN, then you will get here cyanobenzene and nitrogen gas. So every time there is an evolution of nitrogen gas and the diazonium salt is treated with cuprous compound, either cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide or cuprous cyanide with mineral acid like HCl, HBr and HCN, and the reaction is called as, this reaction is called as Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. So in Sandmeyer reaction, cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide or cuprous cyanide is used along with mineral acid, so that there is a formation of corresponding haloarine and nitrogen gas. When the same compound, that is a diazonium salt, I'll write here C6H5 N2 plus X minus, when it is treated with copper powder here instead of cuprous chloride, copper powder and HCl, then here also you will get chlorobenzene with nitrogen gas. When it is treated with again copper powder and HBr, then in that case you will get here bromobenzene and nitrogen gas. So instead of cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide, that means instead of cuprous compound you are using here copper powder, then in that case you will get the same compound, but the reaction is called as a Gattermann reaction. It is your Gattermann reaction. So in Sandmeyer reaction, cuprous chloride along with HCl or cuprous bromide with HBr or cuprous cyanide with HCN is used, so that there is a formation of corresponding haloarenes and nitrogen gas. In case of Gattermann reaction, copper powder with mineral acid is used, so that you will get the haloarene and corresponding nitrogen gas. But here in case of Sandmeyer reaction, the yield of product is better as compared to Gattermann reaction. The next we'll see replacement by I minus. Replacement by iodo group here. So again you are supposed to use now Ar N2 plus X minus Ar, aromatic ring. So when this is treated with Ki, then on heating you will get there ARI, iodobenzene, plus side product is same, nitrogen gas, plus one more is there, and that is Kx. So here this is your iodo arene, or if benzene ring is there, then it is iodobenzene. I'll write iodoarene. Then the next reaction is with replacement by F. Fluorine, and for that fluoroboric acid is used. I'll write here HbF4. Name of this compound is fluoroboric acid. So when this diazonium salt, that is Ar N2 plus X minus, is treated with HbF4, then here there is a formation of Ar N2 plus BF4 minus plus HX. I'll write here only. Name of this compound is what? Benzene diazonium fluoroborate. I'll write here, or it is aromatic ring. So instead of aromatic ring, if benzene ring is there, then it is benzene diazonium fluoroborate, and this compound on heating decomposition takes place, and you will get here corresponding fluoro compound ARF, plus your side product is what? BF3 plus nitrogen gas. This compound, this is your diazonium fluoroborate. When it is heated with copper in NaNO2, sodium nitrite, then in that case, instead of this fluoro compound, you will get the nitro compound, nitrobenzene, ArNO2, plus your side product is nitrogen gas, plus one more product is there, and that is NaBF4, and this is replacement by nitro group, NO2 group, nitration it is. So it is a replacement of diazonium group by NO2 group. So here in this case, if I'll take actual reaction, Where should I write? I'll write here only. Instead of Ar, a benzene ring is there, C6H5. Then N2 plus X minus. And when it is treated with HBF4, fluoroboric acid, then in that case, first you will get here C6H5, then N2 plus BF4 minus benzene diazonium fluoroborate, and this benzene diazonium fluoroborate on treatment with, now I'll write here, on treatment with Cu and NaNO2, copper and sodium nitrite, you will get there nitrobenzene. This is your, I'll write it properly. Nitrobenzene plus N2, that is nitrogen gas, plus NaBF4. And when the same compound, that is your benzene diazonium fluoroborate, it is only heated, so on heating you will get decomposition, and there is a formation of another compound in which what you will get there, fluorobenzene F plus nitrogen gas plus BF3. So this reaction is called as Bals and Schimann reaction. I'll write here, it is your Bals and Schimann reaction. When this benzene diazonium fluoroborate on heating gives you fluorobenzene N2 and BF3, it is Bals and Schimann reaction. But when the same compound on treatment with copper and NaNO2, you will get nitrobenzene also. So this is the replacement by nitro group and by fluoro group. The reagent used is same, and that is fluoroboric acid. Next reaction we'll see replacement by hydride ion. I'll write here only. Replacement by H. So here in this case, your diazonium salt N2 plus and X minus, when it is treated with H3PO2, so that there is a formation of corresponding, this whole group is replaced by hydrogen, so you will get here benzene. Side product is again nitrogen gas is there plus H3PO3 phosphoric acid plus HX, and this name of this H3PO2 is hypophosphorus acid. Or this is also called as a phosphenic acid. Phosphenic acid. So that you will get there benzene. So the diazonium salt on treatment with phosphorus acid, hypophosphorus acid, there is a formation of benzene along with evolution of nitrogen gas. Next we'll see replacement by OH group. In replacement by OH group, your diazonium salt, that is C6H5 N2 plus X minus, when it is treated with dilute sulfuric acid, dilute H2SO4, then there is a replacement of N2X group by OH. There is a formation of phenol with evolution of nitrogen gas and also HX, halo acid. So these are the reactions, replacement reaction actually, replacement of diazonium group by nucleophiles. These are the reactions of diazonium salt when replacement of diazonium group by either Cl, Br or Cn in presence of cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide or cuprous cyanide and mineral acid, then it is a Sandmeyer reaction. When it is in presence of copper powder and corresponding mineral acid, then it is a Gattermann reaction. In Sandmeyer reaction, actually yield of the product is better than Gattermann reaction, and in Sandmeyer reaction cuprous chloride or cuprous salt is used. In case of Gattermann reaction, copper powder is used. Then in next reaction is formation of iodo compound or fluoro compound. In case of iodo compound, your diazonium salt is treated with, heated with actually potassium iodide, so that you will get their corresponding iodobenzene. Then in case of replacement by fluorine, there is a formation of fluorobenzene, but your reagent used is fluoroboric acid. So when your benzene diazonium halide is used with heated with fluoroboric acid, then there is a formation of actually benzene diazonium fluoroborate. When on heating, it gives just decomposition, gives you fluorobenzene, but when it is heated with sodium nitrite and copper, then corresponding nitrobenzene is formed, corresponding compound is formed, where there is a replacement of diazonium group by NO2 group, that is a nitro group, and you will get corresponding nitrobenzene there. Then in case of replacement by hydrogen, hypophosphorus acid is used as a reagent. When your diazonium salt is treated with phosphinic acid, which is called as also hypophosphorus acid, then the corresponding compound is benzene along with nitrogen gas. And in case of replacement of hydroxyl, replacement by hydroxyl group, then there is a formation of corresponding phenol along with nitrogen gas. So every time in reactions of diazonium salt, every time the diazonium group is replaced by nucleophile, and there is a formation of nitrogen gas also as a side product. So these are the reactions of diazonium salt. Next time we'll see coupling reaction.